I welcome you all in the class of political science today. You know that we are here today to start the chapter number 6 of political science, and the name of the chapter is political parties. So let's move towards the first topic, that is political parties meaning and its features. So firstly we will cover its meaning. Okay, so student, a political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. For example, Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, etc. Okay, so this was all about the meaning of political party. Now we will move to its features. But before that, we will cover a very important topic, that why do we need political parties? Okay, so in this regard, we are having various points. What type of functions performed by the parties, or why do we need political parties? The points can be same written. Okay, these can be points can be same written for these question. Means if you will get the question that why do we need political parties, what are the main functions of the political parties, characteristics of political parties, okay, the same function can be there, the same points can be there. So first point is why we need political parties, because the party put forward different policies and programs before the people. Parties play a decisive role. It's a second point. Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Third, they form and run the government. Fourth, they play the role of opposition to the parties in power. Fifth, they shape the public opinion. Sixth, they highlight the issues of utmost importance. Seventh, they provide people access to the government run machinery and welfare schemes. So parties plays lots of functions. So we need the party for all these reasons. So now student, come to the topic features of political parties. Though we can write the all the points which we have covered in the previous question, except of that I'm giving you some more points that you can write in features. So features of political party. A political party is fairly large group of people. Member of a political party have similar political views or faith in one political ideology. And third is, a political party always tries to get the power to form the government and to rule the country. Okay, in election days, maybe you people have observed that every party, tries its best and give its 101% to, come to form a government or to get the votes from the different people. So a political party has full faith in peaceful methods, in always act through peaceful means like elections for fulfilling its aim. Fine, it fields its candidates, organize election campaigns, tries to win more and more seats in the election. So a political party is actively involved in politics either as a ruling party or as an opposition party. You all are aware of the opposition party and ruling party, na? I mean, which party wins is called ruling party, and which party defeats, it's known as opposition party. Okay, so after this question, we will definitely move to this topic, opposition party. Fine. The last feature we are having, political party which run the government is called ruling party. When several, essentially more than two political parties are actively involved in politics, the system is called multi-party system. Okay, now we will move to the next topic. That what is the role of opposition party. So before that, I know that I have discussed with you people that what is opposition party. So student, the party, two parties are there. If suppose one who wins is become a ruling party, and who defeat that is known as the opposition party. So let's say take the example in our India. Which country is having which party is now in the ruling form in our India at the central level, that is BJP. And which party is playing the role of opposition, that is Congress. Fine. So now we will move to the topic, that role of opposition party. So those parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition to the parties. Fine. So opposition party plays different roles in a democracy. So first we are having, it voices those views which are different from the party which enjoys power. So there are alternatives to choose from. It criticizes the government for its wrong policies, a very, very important function of opposition party. It criticizes the government for its wrong policies and programs and their implementation. It criticizes, it mobilizes the government, you know, it keeps people at large aware of the government's wrong policies and programs. It makes the people aware about the government's wrong policies and programs. It acts as a check and balance against the government. Fine. So these were the main functions to be performed by opposition party, or we can say that the role of opposition party in a democracy. Let's move to the new topic, that what type of party system follows in different countries. Fine, because all the party system not follow in our own country, we are following multi-party system. So whenever you will get the question related to India, that which type of party system follows in India, so your answer should be multi-party system. Okay, so some countries follows one party system, some follows two party system, and others follow multi-party system. So who follows multi-party system? India is one of them. Okay, so now we will discuss about all the party system. Firstly, we will discuss mono or one party system. In the system, what happens? The government is always formed by the same single party. It does not mean that other parties are not allowed. Legally speaking, people are free to form political parties, but it does not happen because the electoral system does not permit for free competition for power. Communist party is a best example, which is in China, provides an example of such type of party system. Okay, so now we will move to the second, that is bi-party system or two-party system. So in bi-party system, what happens? Power usually change between the main two parties. Okay, so power usually changes between two main parties. Several other parties may exist, contest elections, and win a few seats in the national legislature, but only the two main parties have a serious chance of winning. Winning what? Majority of seats to form the government. The United States of America and the United Kingdom are the best examples of bi-party system. Now we are having multi-party system. If several parties compete forever, I mean, what happens in multi-party system? What system is followed in multi-party? So if several parties compete for power and two more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power either on their own strength or in alliance with others, we call it a multi-party system. In India, we have a multi-party system. Fine. So I'm again telling you multi-party system. If several parties compete for power and more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power, so either on their own strength or in the alliance with others. Fine. So we call such type of party to a multi-party system. Okay. So this was all about the topic that different party system follows in different areas. Now, side by side, we will do that what is the difference between monoparty system means one party system and bi-party system means two party system. Okay, so if you will get a question like what is the difference between monoparty and bi-party? So in monoparty, we know that it is a party in which a single party is permitted to rule, is called a monoparty, and in bi-party in which the power is transferred between only two major parties is called a bi-party system. In monoparties, second point we are having, although people are free to form political parties in monoparty, but it does not happen because the electoral system doesn't permit free competition for power, as we have discussed earlier in the previous question. So in bi-party system, second point we are having that several party may exist, contest election and win for few seats, but only for two main parties have the serious chance of winning majority of seats required to form the government. Third point, we can give in both sides examples of different countries. Like monoparty system in China, there is existence of monoparty system in China, and Communist Party. is there in China. It's a best example of mono system. And bi-party system in the USA, we can take example of USA. There exists a bi-party system in which the power is transferred between the Republican and Democratic parties. Okay, so side by side we have done the difference also. Clear? Now we will move to the next topic.